Hi, I'm Dr. Bradley with Pro Chiropractic, and if you're looking for an alternative to manual adjustments, the impulse adjusting instrument might be right for you. Let me demonstrate. The impulse adjusting instrument is used very much like our hands, except for the fact that we use an electrical impulse to move the vertebrae. It has 3 adjustable intensity levels, so we can use it on the cervical, the thoracic, the lumbopelvic region. We can use it even on infants and large adults. Let me show you how we do this. The patient can either be lying down or seated. We palpate, find the misalignment, and then activate the instrument to move the bone without the cracking and popping that some people do not like. And like I said, we can use it throughout the spine, finding any misalignments that may exist, all the way through and even down into the pelvis. The patient is able to relax, the bones are able to move. It's just as effective as manual adjustment without the popping and cracking. If you're looking for an alternative, the impulse adjusting instrument might be right for you. Check us out at Pro Chiropractic, prochiromt.com. I'm Dr. Bradley, and thanks for watching.